Right, hello everybody. So a quick tip today that I hope might be helpful to some of you out there. So if you got one of these like push button toilet flushes like we got here, and this button's got difficult to push in, what you need to do is take the top cover off the cistern, and what you'll find is that there's probably like limescale and corrosion built up around this bit of metal tubing here where it makes contact with this bit. So what you want to do is just use a short screwdriver like this to gently rub off all the limescale and corrosion, go all the way around, because it's that's why I say short screwdriver, because you'll be able to kind of go all the way around. You don't need to dismantle anything. You can kind of flex this bit a little bit left and right to get it from both sides. So gently clean it off like as well as you can with the screwdriver, and then finally just lubricate it with a bit of silicone spray. The reason I say silicone spray is because if you use a petroleum based product like WD-40, that can be corrosive to certain plastics. So just to be on, you'd probably be okay with WD-40, but just to be on the safe side, if you've got silicone, I'd suggest use silicone spray. And then you will be absolutely amazed at the difference that makes. I certainly was. So anyway, just a quick video. I think these are quite widely fitted, so initially I thought I was probably going to have to replace this, so it was nice not to have to replace it, because obviously cheaper, less work, better for the environment. So I thought I'll share the little tip. Okay, hope that's helpful. If it was, please support the channel by liking and subscribing to the channel. Thank you, bye.